Hey everyone! Today I'm revealing 5 hidden Windows 11 features you're probably ignoring. After the video, drop a comment telling me which step surprised you most and what you want covered next. Feature 1. Clipboard History and Sync. Open the Start menu, type Win+V and press Enter to activate Clipboard History. Toggle on Clipboard History and, if you wish, sync across devices. Now, every copy-paste you make is saved and accessible. Feature 2. Virtual desktops with custom wallpapers. Press Win+Tab, then click New Desktop. Right-click the new desktop's thumbnail, select Choose Background, and pick a wallpaper. Switch between them with Ctrl+Windows+Left or right. Feature 3. Game Mode and Hardware-Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Go to Settings, Gaming, Game Mode, turn it on. Then open Device Manager, Display Adapters, your GPU, Properties, the latest driver. Fewer stutters, better FPS. By the way, I checked my channel stats and almost 100% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you're enjoying these PC optimization tips, hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep bringing you more guides that make your system faster. Feature 4. Energy Saver for desktops and laptops. Go to Settings, System, Power and Battery, Additional Power Settings. Switch to High Performance or Ultimate Performance and toggle the new Energy Saver mode when you're idle or multitasking. It extends battery life on laptops. And on desktops, it keeps things running efficient when you switch between heavy tasks. Feature 5. Latest 24H2 phone link in Start and Lock Screen widgets. With Windows 11 version 24H2, the phone link app is built into the Start menu. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Phone Link, Pair your Android. Now you can drag and drop photos from mobile to PC, reply to messages, and even use your phone as a webcam, all from the Start menu. This one update brings your mobile and PC closer. No extra apps needed. And that's it. 5 simple tweaks that unlock features you already own. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Flush Gaming, and comment below with which feature you activated first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.